Remember that 90s advertisement with the sun sucking all the water from a kid's head on a hot summer day? That's how it really is. Whether you reside in a humid city or a dry area, you cannot escape the wrath of summer heat and dehydration. Luckily, there are ways to keep yourself and your skin hydrated. Here are 4 ways you can keep your skin looking gorgeous and hydrated, even in the summer. 1. Drink enough water. 2. Use hyaluronic acid. 3. Use a gel-based moisturizer. 4. Use matte sunscreen. 1. Drink enough water. This is obvious but has to be said. You need to drink more water in the summer. Heat can easily drain you in no time, and you need hydration to keep going. Dehydration soon starts showing on your skin too. It can cause irritation, acne, and redness. Drink about 2 liters of water daily. 2. Use hyaluronic acid. Drinking water is great, but how do you make sure that water stays and is being utilized by your skin with hyaluronic acid? This hero ingredient is an incredible humectant and ensures hydration all day and keeps your skin supple. It traps water molecules underneath your skin, in your cells, and keeps your skin hydrated. The Simple Booster Serum. 3% hyaluronic acid plus B5. For deep hydration can be your BFF this summer. It contains 0.5% of hyaluronic with 2.5% proactive vitamin B to provide maximum hydration and keep your skin healthy. This formula sinks into your skin within seconds and gets to work right away. This is a must-have in every season, but works exceptionally well in summer. 3. Use a gel-based moisturizer. Switch to light gel moisturizers in summer. Gel-based moisturizers are non-sticky, absorb into the skin in no time, and get the job done. The Lakme Absolute Hydra Pro Gel Cream is a fabulous pick for the summer. It locks in hydration for up to 72 hours and combats any dryness or irritation. Pair it with the Lakme Absolute Hydra Pro Overnight Gel for maximum hydration and softness. 4. Use matte sunscreen. With all the light hydrating agents to look fresh and gorgeous, we can't let sweat and oiliness win. Use sunscreen with a matte finish so your skin doesn't end up looking greasy in the summer. While the hydrating creams and serums won't make your skin look oil-slicked, summer heat ends up producing excess sebum, and that needs to be counteracted with something matte. So protect your skin and at the same time, fight off the harmful UV rays with a matte SPF. Check out a BB favorite and staple, Lakme Sun Expert SPF 50 PA+++ Ultra Matte Lotion Sunscreen. A super light and smooth formula that glides onto the skin with ease to shield your skin from the sun. It feels like you have nothing on your skin with this sunscreen, and it keeps your skin looking flawless all day.